So add an NLF or
For information.
yeah. This rickety boardwalk we're on here, so you gotta be a little careful. But you can see different hooches or the houses that the NLF or Viet Công forces would use to operate here during the Vietnam War. Very interesting. Just gotta watch my step as I go down this boardwalk. And we come into the first one here, Nha Quan Nu. Looks like they are, sewing, making clothing. They have some of the mannequins depicting what they would have done. Those black pajamas of the Viet Cong. And then some of the stuff here. Yarn, clothing, hats, pants, and other military equipment here. Woman sewing, ammunition boxes. Moving to another one of the, that's bao ve in Vietnamese. And we turn to the right, go down another boardwalk here. And it looks like here we have ordnance being made. Diffusing bombs and reusing them for other purposes. A lot of this ordnance was dropped by the U.S., which didn't explode. It was repurposed. Here we are. We have bits of bombs, artillery shells, other things being repurposed here. Scrap metal, shells. You have mines right here, scrap metal, bomb fragments, artillery shells, shells here, mines. Weapons manufacturing house. Grenades, artillery shells, and bombs. Here we have some RPGs, rocket propelled grenades, both the launchers and the rockets, ammunition cases, boxes, and different types of ordnance. And moving on from the weapons manufacturing area right here, we continue down the boardwalk to another one coming up here, which I believe is a hospital or dispensary, however you want to call it, or in Vietnamese, Nha Quan Nhi. And here you have depictions of soldiers being treated, medical supplies right here, mannequins, ammunition, 30 caliber cartridge boxes, and someone being treated medically right here by 2 other soldiers. And over here, you have another NLF soldier or mannequin. And we go down another boardwalk to another facility up ahead. Trying my best not to fall off because some of these boards look a little rickety, if you get what I mean. Coming up on another spot. Rainwater collection, very important. Important because this is brackish water, mangrove swamps. And now we're in Nha Quan. So, food production. Logistics. fish preparation. Different things over here, souvenirs to buy. And a bit of a field kitchen you can see down here. Continuing, making a bit of a left here. Oh no, and apparently my wife's cousin fell off here one time when they revisited previously, so let's not repeat that again, right? Right? And coming up here on another area here. Oh no, looking at the site of the incident over here. A statue over here, Victory Monument. Another tent over here.
Con hỏi Dượng có đúng nghe không? Thắc mắc nghe không? Con đứng đây, Dượng đứng đây nghe. Cẩn thận chân nghe.
Rickety. Yeah. We're visiting the Victory Monument, as they call it over here. We're going to continue down this way. There's three more tents over here. The first one here is the Hoi Trung command post of the base here. So you have your officers and other senior officials here, planning operations, etc. And photos of people involved. Of course, operations, communications, operational maps, etc. And the flag of the NLF, or Viet Cong as they're commonly called. And as we finish in this tent, we move further down over here. Here it looks like we have bunkers for protection against airstrikes or other types of attack. Nyabe gasoline battle. So it looks like an attack on a installation for containing different types of fuels, etc. Talks about a bit about it right here, which I'll take a photo of so you can see more. You see some of the weaponry used. As we continue going down here, we now move into a long hall here, which I believe looks like a meeting hall or briefing, which might be converted into a place for movies or educational. Yeah, now it's a place for where you can watch or listen to different types of stories or information about this place. So after that, we'll head back this way. It looks like there is one hall over here which is functioning with a TV and, of course, a WC or bathroom, which would not have been here at the time, but for tourism purposes is absolutely essential because we're out in the middle of nowhere here. Now moving over here where they have displays, different weapons, which will come back. There's another one over here, but first we're going to go in here and have a look. There's a Na Chia Thim, my Vietnamese is.
One of the victory to remember of the shot for soldiers was the striking attack on
Browning, M60s, BARs, automatic rifles, M1 Garands, shotguns, M16 bolt-action rifles, shotguns, Thompson submachine gun, N79 grenade launcher, grease gun, Uzi. Wow, an old 18th century weapon. Part of an RPG, more M1s, Russian PPSH or a similar type submachine gun, M1s, and other types of rifles here, AKs, AK-47, and then different types of machine guns.
Found itself in peace. The soldiers of those days was now engaged themselves in rebuilding the quarters.
And now to watch a little bit about the place. So we'll pick back up in a minute once I head to another tent.